Hi everyone, it's Sandy and welcome to my channel. I have here another fun 6x6 project for you guys again. It's just another envelope style mini pocket where you can load your goodies in the envelope style here that I've got. It's another easy project. It's got 3 pockets in this one. It's quite similar to another 6x6 loaded pocket style envelope that I had made previously in another video, which is this one here. The difference with this one, when you open it up, well, it both has 2 side pockets here on each side there, and this one has a back pocket. This one here also has a pocket on the back here, but then when you turn it over, it also has another 2 pockets on each side here, whereas this one here only just has, it's just on the one side, so the back looks like that, looks like an envelope, and then you've got your 2 pockets on the front here and one at the back, and I'll just show you how it looks like. It is a really fun, cute little pocket. I do like this one here, and it does hold a few stuff in here as well, and it is nice and flat like my other 6x6 pocket projects. So it is good enough to put in the mail and not having too much bulk. So over here I put in some little banner, paper punch banner shapes in a little sealed packaging, which I managed to fit in there. And then over here are just some shapes that I fussy cut from a 12x12 sheet of paper. This is a Kaiser craft paper that I had used, and then up on the front here I just added some more stickers. So that's how the pocket looks like here on the front. So you get that little pocket in there and then another pocket on this side, and I've just added a hello die cut and erased that with a foam just to embellish the front, and I've just got an altered paper clip here with some glitter as a shaker. So that was another fun, cute project to make. And then on the back here, I'll just take it all out so you can see. So that is your back pocket here. So that's your pocket at the back, and then you've got your front pockets. And these are just some of the goodies that I've just put in there. So I still managed to put quite a few stuff. There's some tags that I put in there, some die cut ephemeras and an altered paper clip. Just some more die cuts, and this is just some word sentiments that I typed up on my computer that they can just cut up and use that in their embellishments, and just some more shaped die cuts using my die, and an envelope, and this is just a pocket with some tags. So I did manage to fit a few things in here, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these little pockets. So what you just need here is just a 6x6 piece of paper, and then what you're going to do is you're going to bring that point and just fold it in half to that point. So we'll just go ahead and we'll fold that in half, so it will be like a triangle shape. So just like that, pretty easy. And then what we want to do here is this point here, you are just going to bring that over to that fold line, and just like that. So you want it to look like that. And then what we'll do next is this part here, we're going to bring that over and just line it up so that it just is above that little fold, that little point that we just folded over. So you want to do that, so then it looks like that. So you want to make sure that it's just folded over that little point, and then we're going to bring the other side and do the same thing. We're going to bring that over, and we want that point to overlap that point just slightly. So what we want to try and do here is we're just wanting to hold this flap that we folded over in place so it doesn't flip open. So that's what you want it to look. So this one here, you just want that to bring that over and overlapped just a little bit past that point, and this one bring that over, and you want this point to overlap that point, just like that. And then we'll just go ahead and we'll just go and unfold these again, and we just go to apply glue to the flap up to the fold line. So we'll just apply the glue here, just up to that fold line, and then we're going to press that over, just like that. And then we'll just do the same with this side here, and apply some glue here up to that fold line. And I'm just going to just get my bone folder and just press down on the folds while that I might just apply some glue to the point. So just like that. So get my bone folder and just press down, which I forgot to do. And that is all there is to it, to this little envelope style pocket. So that's how it looks like. So I'll just go and grab a tag to show you. I might just grab this one. So you get your pocket here on the back. Then you get your pocket here on the side, which is just there. And then you get another one just on this side here. And what I've done here, see this little bit here, I've just had some scrap paper and I just sort of placed it in the front here just to cover that little overlapping bit that I've got here. So I don't have anything here to show you, but yeah, so I could probably just use one of these. So this piece here was actually just one of these shapes that I've got, and I just cut that in half, and then I just sort of placed it like that, just to cover that up, and also just gives it more secure for your goodies in the pocket. So that is how you make this cute little envelope style 3-pocket envelope. And I've just added some washi here just to decorate that bit there, if you wanted to do that. So that's just another quick 6x6 envelope style pocket that I want to share with you, and I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in my next video, and it will be my giveaway details for having over 6,000 subscribers, and also for the month of my birthday of September. So stay tuned for my giveaway details, and I will see you then. Bye for now.